What is socialization? Broadly construed, socialization is the process whereby an individual learns to adjust to a group or society and behave in a manner approved by that group or society. According to most social scientists, socialization essentially represents the whole process of learning throughout the life course and is a central influence on the behavior, beliefs, and actions of adults as well as of children. Put differently, socialization is a process that introduces people to social norms and customs. This process helps individuals function well in society, and in turn, helps society run smoothly. Family members, teachers, religious leaders, and peers all play roles in a person's socialization. This process typically occurs in two stages, namely, primary socialization, which takes place from birth through adolescence, and secondary socialization, which continues throughout one's life. Adult socialization may occur whenever people find themselves in new circumstances, especially those in which they interact with individuals whose norms or customs differ from theirs.